Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find products ID and variants ID in Shopify. This is very easy. All you need to do, just go on the left panel and click on products. Here, you'll have to look for the products that you are looking for its ID. Let's say, as an example, this one. Let me just go and click on that. Once I click on that, as you can see, if you can look on this URL section, you'll find products and you'll find here some numbers. So those numbers are the ID of your products. Let me just go back. As an example, I'll click on products again, and I'm just going to click on another products. As you can see, this always changes. So I'm just going to another products as an example, as you can see. So let me just go that, and this ID changes. Now, if I want to see the variant ID, so if I go here to this products, and I'm just going to scroll down. This is the variance as example that I want the ID of. All I need to do is just go and click on that variant again. So as example, I do have this variant. I'm just going to click on it. And this is the variant as example. And I'm just going to click on this default option, which is the only variant that I have here. So I'm going to click on that. And again, if I go to the URL section, I'll find products, the ID of the products, and variants, the ID of the variants. So I can copy them and use them wherever I want. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.